Hey there, how are you? Today we are going to learn how can we change our mobile hotspot password. You just need to click on setting icon. You can search here hotspot and setting. You need to click on it, and here you need see a Wi-Fi hotspot option. You need to connect. Click on it, and here you see a hotspot setting option. You need to click on it. So you need to click on it hotspot password, and here you can type a new password. For example, I type here clicks and apply OK. Now our hotspot password is gone changed. You need to click on security and press on none. Now when you save your hotspot setting, you will see you can connect your any other device will be connect automatically to your hotspot without giving any password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel.